watching Headlines on Mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. Gold surged past $3,100 an ounce on Monday, setting a new record. The rally follows growing fears over U.S. tariffs and global economic uncertainty. Gold is now up 18% this year. Big banks have raised their price targets, with some seeing $4,500 ahead. Analysts say strong demand will keep pushing prices higher. Chile's CODELCO is once again the world's largest copper producer, edging out BHP with 1.44 million tons in 2024. The state-owned miner is ramping up new tech and mine rehab to boost output. Meanwhile, copper prices are surging on fears of U.S. tariffs. Futures recently hit a record $11,840 a ton. Traders say prices could pass $12,000 this year as supply tightens. Washington and Moscow are reportedly beginning early talks on rare earths projects in Russia. The head of Russia's sovereign wealth fund, Kirill Dmitriev, says U.S. companies have shown interest in joint ventures, but no deals are confirmed. The Kremlin says the discussions are at a very early stage with no specifics yet. Talks may continue in Saudi Arabia in the coming weeks. Russia holds major reserves of rare earths, which are vital for electronics, green tech, and defense. Now, the North American uranium market is stalling as U.S. utilities hold off on purchasing ahead of President Donald Trump's planned 10% tariff on Canadian energy exports. Utilities usually rely heavily on Canadian uranium, but are now pausing new contracts to avoid unexpected costs. Analysts say uranium buying has dropped by half, with investors pulling back and miners like Cameco seeing share prices fall. While current fuel supplies are secure, utilities may face price spikes if uncertainty continues. Experts warn the market is frozen by too many what-ifs and a lack of clarity on future trade rules. Politicians and experts in Germany are raising concerns over the security of the country's vast gold reserves stored in the United States. This as tensions grow between Washington and the EU. Germany holds the world's second largest gold reserves. That figure, 3,352 tons, with about 37% of that, or 1,236 tons, is stored in the vaults of the New York Federal Reserve. The stash is now worth over $108 billion. Some German leaders are now calling for the gold to be brought home. Well, that's where we leave Headlines on Mining.com. Bye-bye.